You're looking inside Avenir and Solana Bay keeps coming up. But here's the problem. On paper, it just looks like another luxury section inside a master plan community. But in reality, it's one of the most specific buyer profiles in all of Avenir. And if you don't understand that before you buy, you can end up in the wrong house, on the wrong lot, in the wrong section, at $1 million+ price point. So let's break this down the right way. Solana Bay is one of the newer luxury sections inside Avenir, built by Akel Homes. And right away, you need to understand something very important. This is not entry-level Avenir. This is not even mid-tier Avenir. This is positioned as a higher-end, more design-forward pocket inside the community. You're getting larger floor plans, more modern architecture, cleaner, more elevated finishes, and overall, a more curated feel. But here's the trade-off that most people don't talk about yet. This section is still very new, which means not everything is built out. That's either a huge opportunity or a frustration, depending on how you think about it. Solana Bay tends to attract a very specific type of buyer. You're going to feel at home here if you like new construction that actually feels modern, not just builder basic modern. You want open layouts, clean lines, big kitchens that feel like the center of the home, indoor-outdoor flow, and you're okay being early in the developing section. Because what you're buying is not just the house, it's the future version of Avenir. Now, if you're someone who wants mature landscaping, a fully built-out neighborhood, immediate walkability to everything, this may not be your best fit right now. And that's the part most people don't say out loud. Now let's ground this in something real. This house, 12617 Solana Bay Circle, is currently on the market. Why don't we take a look and see what you can get in this section? You're looking at over 4,000 square feet, 4+ bedrooms, high ceilings throughout, a layout that's designed for both everyday living and entertaining. But it's not just about the size of the home, it's how the home lives. You've got a large open concept main area, a kitchen that actually feels like a centerpiece, seamless flow into the outdoor space. And that's a big deal in South Florida, because when you're buying at this level, you're not just buying square footage, you're buying how the home makes you feel when you're in it. Now here's where I want you to pay attention. Homes like this in Solana Bay are typically starting at $1.5 million+, depending on upgrades, lot, and timing. And the difference between a good purchase and a great one comes down to lot selection, upgrade packages, and timing within the development. This is where Solana Bay gets really interesting, because you're not just buying a house here, you're buying into what Avenir is becoming. Right now, the town center is still in phases, but what's coming includes restaurants, retail, medical offices, hospital. This is designed to be a self-contained city. So if you're early into a section like Solana Bay, you're positioning yourself ahead of full demand, full convenience, and full pricing maturity. That's the upside, but it only works if you're thinking long-term. Quick question for you. Would you rather be early in a developing luxury community and ride the wave, or move into something that's fully established? Drop it in the comments, because that answer will tell me exactly where you should be buying. Every strength here comes with a trade-off. You're getting beautiful, new, modern homes, but you're also dealing with ongoing development nearby. You're getting forward-thinking design and layouts, but you may pay a premium for being in a newer, higher-end section. You're getting future upside, but you need patience to fully realize it. If you go into this understanding that, you're going to be making a much better decision. Solana Bay is not for everyone, but if you're the right buyer, it's one of the most exciting opportunities inside Avenir. It gives you modern design, strong long-term positioning, and access to a community that's still in its growth phase. And that combination is rare. If you're seriously considering Avenir and trying to figure out which section fits you best, reach out to me directly. I'll walk you through the differences within each community, what makes sense for your lifestyle, and where you should and shouldn't be looking. And if you want a breakdown like this on all the sections inside Avenir, make sure you subscribe. I'm doing a deep dive on all the sections inside of Avenir.